That abandoned house at the end of your street is pretty creepy. The story your elder cousins told you about the guy with a hook for a hand, calling the babysitter from inside the house, that was really creepy. But what about the internet? Hey, I'm Harsh and you are watching the top 10 lists. Number 10, YouTuber watches girlfriend die for $1,000. A Russian YouTuber named Stas Rifli focused largely on gaming based content. Finding it tough to compete in the genre, Stas also made some sketchy live streams. Stas had done a fair few of these edgy streams, generating income by pepper spraying his girlfriend or forcing a friend to drink oil for donations. But on December 2nd, 2020, things went too far. One viewer pledged $1,000 for Stas to beat his girlfriend, Valentina, and lock her outside in the freezing cold, where it was sub zero temperatures. Viewers kept donating. When Stas eventually pulled her back into the apartment, she was unconscious and had turned bluish grey. Stas took Valentina and propped her up on his couch. When he failed to revive her, he continued to stream and take money. Number 9, footage from hacked cameras. Most creepy or shocking threads on sites like Reddit will leave you wondering, is this even real? Indeed, many threads are essentially just ARGs, posing as true stories in order to maximize engagement. But not so on Reddit board are controllable webcams. A community of people dedicated to watching feeds from hacked cameras. The links posted allows users to access random webcam feeds. Sometimes it's a car park, sometimes it's a workplace, and sometimes it's a bedroom. Number 8, YouTuber kills on road. Nizamul Khan is a popular creator who specializes in motorbike stunts performed during skits, often featuring Nizamul's girlfriend. The pair were said to be head over heels in love, with Nizamul planning on proposing her.
भाई ये बात उन दिनों की है जब मेरे घर वाले मेरी शादी के लिए लड़की ढूंढ रहे थे। बहुत ढूंढने के बाद उनको एक लड़की मिली और जो कि मुझे भी बहुत पसंद आई और फिर हमारी एक मुलाकात हुई।
But what was the problem? The girl's brother Kamal Khan opposed his sister's involvement with Khan. Sharma forbade his sister from seeing Khan, going so far as to confiscate her phone. But on 28th October 2020, Khan and two of his accomplices followed Sharma on his way back home from work. The three attackers rode alongside Kamal while he had stopped his bike at an intersection. He was shot in the back and died. Nizamul Khan and his two conspirators are awaiting trial. Number 7, Murder Mystery 112 Dirtbag. Maura Murray vanished after leaving her crashed car in a snowbank, seemingly to avoid police after a passerby called them. But in 2012, 8 years after Maura had vanished, a lead seemingly popped up out of nowhere. A video posted by a YouTuber by the name 112 Dirtbag showed a middle-aged man staring directly at the camera and laughing. Before ending the video with a wink and a message which read Happy Anniversary. It turned out that this guy was just a troll. His name was Alden Olson. He was a Massachusetts resident and was cleared of any involvement. Number 6, the guy who ate his leg. User Incredibly Shiny Shart of Reddit lost the use of one of his legs after a motorbike accident. He spent some time in severe agony, with doctors suggesting that he should amputate his leg. When the user asked what would happen to his leg, he learned that it would be cremated and then dumped in a landfill. This wasteful action did not please him, so he took his amputated leg home after it was cut off below the knee. Luckily for the newly legless poster, a friend of his was chef, and he had a group of pals who would often discuss if they would be curious in tasting human flesh, and if it were ethically sound, and so they did.
Now, before we move further, we post amazing top 10 lists of all genres, from anime to sports, from movies to creepiest things on the internet, so you can enjoy the best of the best out there with your loved ones. So, if you appreciate our efforts, please like, share, and subscribe.
Number 5. Money laundering stores open near my home. On the Too Afraid to Ask subreddit, people have a space to ask the community any question that may be deemed too stupid, taboo, or embarrassing in real life. In July 2019, one user named Iceman Throwaway 123 took a different track. He wrote 12 mysterious and identical stores open on my street. What could be happening? He wrote that these shops only sold out of date, moldering Walmart stuff and only took cash, referring to the signage on all these random shops. The names are only a tiny variations of each other's. Number 4. What happened to Om Saif? Om Saif is a Syrian refugee living in Turkey who gained a large following for her live streams playing PUBG. Her star was on the rise until on the 10th of Jan, she posted a video claiming she was quitting YouTube. She also left social media. Maybe she had gotten another job? Unfortunately not. It seems that something far darker and more immediately dangerous for Om could be afoot. At the end of her final video, she made a hand gesture that seems to be the new universal sign to indicate domestic abuse.
يوتيوب أنا ما عاد أنزل أي فيديو على اليوتيوب، بس حابة إني لكم شغلة. باي.
Number 3. The mystery of Yay video games. A user called Yay Video Games made thousands of incoherent posts, all a variation of a single phrase: Ubisoft goes Teamworks bye bye always on DRM. Each post is unique, including bold, italic, and differently formatting letters, suggesting that each of these posts were typed out by Yay Video Games. Embedded in many of these posts were a series of strange and sometimes creepy image files, including one photo showing a handwritten variation of his garbled message.
Number 2. UFO sightings. Finally cried all the true believers when this footage was leaked. Hold your horses. Though all this stuff is not proof of the existence of aliens gang, it is simply proof that US authorities know and study the phenomena of UFOs and seem to have an idea about what is going on. In and of itself, this is as close to proof that UFO fans and fanatics have ever gotten.
There's a whole fleet of them. Look on the ASA. My gosh. They're all going against the wind. The wind's 120 knots from the west. Look at that thing, dude. That's not our LNS though, is it? It's not. That is the LNS, dude. Well, if there's like... Look at that thing. It's rotating.
Number 1. Woman kills her 7-year-old son. A man under the username of Jason in Hell on Reddit took to the site in 2016 to seek advice about his terrible home life. Cheating manipulative wife, who he had spent half of his life with, was cheating him with his neighbor. Jason, after taking the advice of Reddit users, filed for divorce and sought custody of their 2 kids. 3 days later, Jason's wife waited until he was asleep. He was sleeping in the basement out of her reach, and before stabbing her children to death and attempting to take her own life, she was convicted of the murder of a 7-year-old Tyler and 3-year-old Charlie and sentenced to 120 years in jail. If you agree with our list, drop a like, and if you disagree with our list, drop a dislike. But stay tuned for more interesting top 10 lists.